you're gonna need just the per ratchet. Counterclockwise, like that. See how it loose when I do that, like that. And then in one hand you go ahead and undo the belt. And to get the belt off on this part right here, you can just slide it like that. It goes like that, and you just go ahead and get it off out of your way. Now to take the next belt off, I'm gonna have to rotate the engine and at the same time slide that back out. Now you're gonna need a number 24. So now I got this in place, goes right over here, and then you can find whatever, something plastic not gonna damage the belt. Just slide it on there and push. You gotta push back that way, so when you rotate the engine, the belt just kind of don't follow the track and it start going the opposite direction. So as you can see in there, it's basically out. That's what we wanted it. There you go. It's already loose. We're gonna get it out of the way. So next step will be to put the compressor belt in there. So you're basically gonna do the same thing as how you took it off. You're gonna rotate the engine, but you wanna start from this end right here. You're gonna press it and rotate the engine at the same time, just like this. Eventually it's gonna put pressure in it, and it's just gonna go adjusting all by herself. You just gotta check, make sure the back is lining up on this side. If you can see, I don't know if you can see, but it's kind of getting off, so I'm gonna have to go back. There you go. So you gotta pay attention to this side and that side at the same time. Just make sure you guide it. Once you do it, you gotta inspect the belt, make sure everything is correctly. It's not twisted on the bottom or anything. And it should be done putting that belt. Now we gotta do the serpentine belt. Now for the new serpentine belt, here is the diagram. So you basically slide it from the back of the tensioner, as you can see here, like that. This is gonna be our first turn right here. See the tensioner, the back side, the flat side goes to the flat, which is the tensioner. That will be your guidance in there. This one is very easy because it doesn't have that many turns and twists. So this is the setup. So this is the setup here. Goes around that side, goes all the way down to the motor, to the big one right there. Come back to the tensioner. We're gonna leave the alternator one for last. Now you gotta make sure everything is good. Make sure the belt is where it needs to be, and that should be it.